If Earth had a single most powerful carbon system, it would not be a forest. It would be mangroves and coastal wetlands. These systems occupy less than 1% of Earth's land surface, yet they outperform almost every other biome combined. Mangroves do not just absorb carbon, they trap it permanently. Above ground, mangrove trees grow quickly. Below ground, their root systems create dense sediment traps. Organic material falls into anaerobic mud. Without oxygen, decomposition slows dramatically. Carbon that would normally return to the atmosphere remains locked for centuries, sometimes millennia. Mature mangrove systems can absorb 20 to 40 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year. That is not a projection, it is measured. This makes mangroves the highest known carbon sink per hectare on Earth. But carbon is only part of their function. Mangroves protect coastlines. They absorb wave energy, reduce storm surge, prevent erosion. Where mangroves exist, disasters weaken. Where they are removed, coastlines collapse. Mangroves also create nurseries for marine life. Fish populations rebound. Food security improves. Local economies stabilize. This matters because restoration must defend itself economically. Mangroves do that automatically. The failure of mangrove systems is human, not natural. Clearing for shrimp farms. Urban expansion. Short-term extraction. Once removed, coastlines lose structure. Salt intrusion increases. Agricultural land fails. Fresh water disappears. Restoration reverses this process. Mangrove planting is simple, scalable, and fast. Costs range from $1,000 to $5,000 per hectare, including a 20% buffer for site prep and protection. Return on investment is immediate. Carbon capture begins within months. Storm protection begins immediately. No other biome delivers this density of benefit at this speed. Globally, restoring even 10 to 20% of degraded mangroves would remove gigatons of carbon from the atmosphere. More importantly, it would stabilize coastal civilization. Mangroves are not optional. They are planetary infrastructure.